Hello everyone, I'm here to show you how this new digital template will work. This is our Santa Holds a Snow Globe template, and basically when you open up the template you will see, actually you should see these words. These are the naughty or nice text. You can shut that text off just by clicking the button and adding in, using a text layer, adding in your own text. You can leave it on. You can also, with Command T, you can move it, stretch it, mask it, whatever you like to do with it. But it is not, the actual font is not editable. You'll see here, there's a couple extra layers in here. We have an extra sparkle layer. I thought the extra sparkle was kind of fun. You can turn that on and off. We have an ornament layer. This is just the overlay of the ornament. You could turn it off if you want it to be a little clearer over your person. This just kind of gives it that extra depth. You have some snow, more snow, and even more snow. So you can actually have a clear globe, add in just as much snow as you want. And again, I left layer masks for you on the side so you can mask off. Once you put your person inside the template, you can use the layer masks to mask off some snow. I also have, oh, it's not here, but what you will see is there will be a layer here that says, just going to go right here. And the layer is going to say, put your photo here. And this is just to indicate where your photo should go when you bring it into Photoshop. Basically, you want it to be under the snow layers and under the ornament overlay, but above the background. It's probably self-evident, but if you're newer to Photoshop, you might not realize where to put your photo. And all you would do is bring in File, Place Embedded, go find yours. Now, I have a child photo here. I already cut this child out. I'm bringing her in. I am just bringing her size down. And then I would add shadows to her to make it work. Actually, she has a couple of extra shadows here. Now, if you're interested in learning how to cut out a photo to add into a template, you can check out some of my other tutorials. I show that to you here in this tutorial on my YouTube video, and I will put the link in the comments on how to cut out a person to place into a digital backdrop. It's essentially the same idea, cutting out the people and then adding some shadows to taste. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're looking to purchase this template, you can purchase it at www.photoboxdesigns.com. We have over 700 digital templates, Photoshop templates for photographers. Thanks.